Today's easy lunch from the garden: calendula, lemon basil, parsley, dandelion, 1 beet leaf, 2 Swiss chard leaves, 1 leaf of kale, some tofu, 1 tomato, and part of an onion, 1 chunk of butter from the store, and I'm going to use spinach artichoke dip tzatziki at the very end. So the goal is, I got the butter, throw in my kale, onions, tofu, and tomato. Yum, yum, yum. The tofu absorbs whatever we're cooking it in, so it'll have a delicious, buttery, vegetable taste to it. While those are simmering, I'll save the flowers and the parsley and the basil for the end, and I'll save the dandelion greens for the end. And in the meantime, I'll use scissors, chop these up in there, and then add those. And I'll have a very hearty, delicious, easy meal from the garden.